Hi, my name is Madison Jones, and over the summer I was involved in geological research with the University of Texas at El Paso. My research mainly has to do with correlating unknown strata in the El Paso area with known rock formations. And we did this starting with 6 different sample sites, including Three Sisters, Coronado, Thunderbird, Crazy Cat, Campus Andesite, and Cristo Rey. The methods we used included field sampling, powdering our samples using a mortar and pestle, and analysis using X-ray diffraction. And the X-ray diffraction was the most important tool in the research. And here is a picture of the X-ray diffraction machine and a picture of me hand powdering the samples. And here is the rock formations studied in the El Paso area. So with the XRD information that I was able to get, this is the XRD data from Coronado and Cristo Rey sample sites. Here's Coronado, and here's Cristo Rey. As you can see, their peaks are very similar, and here is Coronado and Cristo Rey overlapped on top of one another. As you can see, they are extremely similar, with many different quartz and calcite peaks that overlap. And from this data, we can conclude that from the XRD data, this suggests that the strata at Coronado and the strata at Cristo Rey are practically identical. And that sample taken from Cristo Rey was from the Muleros formation. And from the XRD data, we can conclude that the unknown sample taken from Coronado is Muleros formation strata. We also did the same thing with Cristo Rey, a sample from Cristo Rey, which is a known sample from the Del Rio formation, and Crazy Cat sample sites. And overlaid on top of each other, the XRD graphs suggest that the strata from Crazy Cat belongs to the Del Rio formation because the Del Rio formation's XRD data and the XRD data from Crazy Cat are practically identical. And this is the same with the Del Rio strata at Cristo Rey and the Thunderbird sample sites. So from this XRD data, this suggests that the strata at Thunderbird and Crazy Cat are from the Del Rio formation. And the implications of this study are that there's Del Rio. This is a map of Thunderbird. There's Del Rio here. Muleros, which is an older rock formation, also at Thunderbird, and more Muleros at Thunderbird. And because of these samples, the implication is that the strata has been folded and thrusted and changed so much that here, at Thunderbird especially, you can see it, older strata, the Muleros, has ended up on top of younger strata, which is the Del Rio. Another thing that I found during this research is I compared the Campus Andesite XRD data, that's another sample site, to all the other XRD data from Cristo Rey, which are the known samples, and we were not able to find any match. So this indicates that the strata at the Campus Andesite sample site may possibly belong to the Boquillas formation in the El Paso area, which is the newest rock formation and the hardest to identify because the XRD data at Campus Andesite does not match any known XRD data, and that is why we believe it may be Boquillas. And I'd like to thank Dr. Diane Dozer and Rob Borbaugh, especially from the UTEP faculty, in aiding in this research. Thank you.